Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Shopify and eBay, two well known platforms that help people sell online, but in very different ways. So by the end of the video, you'll understand how each platform works, what they're best at, and which one fits your business needs. But before we get started, here's a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below. There's a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer below. You'll also get complete access to my Shopify course so you can set everything up with confidence. Let's get started. First off, a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that lets you build your online store from scratch. You control your design, branding, your checkout, and every part of the shopping experience. eBay works a little different. It's a huge online marketplace where millions of buyers search for products every day. Instead of building a store, you list your products on eBay's platform and take advantage of their existing audience. Now let's talk about features. Shopify offers everything you need to run a full store, including product pages, inventory tools, discount codes, abandoned cart recovery, email marketing, shipping management, and a large app store with thousands of add-ons. It's designed for long-term growth and gives you total control over how your store looks and works. Now, eBay focuses more on listings and auctions. You can list products quickly, choose between fixed price or auction style, promote your listings, and reach customers who are already searching on eBay. You don't have to build traffic from scratch because the marketplace already brings in huge numbers of buyers. Now, user experience. Shopify gives you a dashboard where you can really manage everything, but since it has a lot of features, it might take a little time for you to learn. But once you understand it, running your store feels smooth and organized. eBay is simpler at the start. You can list products in minutes and start selling right away. However, eBay controls the design, layout, and buying experience, and you don't get the same creative freedom you get with Shopify. Let's talk about customization. Shopify gives you full control over how your store looks. You can choose themes, edit layouts, you can change colors, add sections, and create your own style. Your store feels unique because you design it any way you want. eBay doesn't offer this kind of customization. All listings follow a similar layout, and you're limited to eBay's structure. This makes eBay easy, but less flexible. Finally, integrations. Shopify connects you with thousands of apps for things like marketing, payments, shipping, automation, accounting, and a lot more. This makes it great for growing businesses. Now, eBay has fewer integrations, but it still supports important tools like shipping partners, payment options, and listing software. Shopify is stronger if you want a complete business system. eBay is better if you want quick access to customers without building your own site. So which one should you choose? If you want your own store, your own brand, and full control over the customer experience, Shopify is the better pick. It's perfect for building a long-term business. But if you want to start selling fast, reach buyers immediately, or move inventory quickly, eBay is a great option. Many sellers even use both, starting on eBay and then growing into Shopify later. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.